What's up, guys? We're here in Elite Sports Cards. We're doing the filler for the cup break. We're live at 3:57. Just turned 3:58 here in Denver. I'm going to get a fresh list for everybody. We got Anders on top and Mr. Rob on the bottom. Anders on top, Rob on the bottom. Guys, we're going 3 times. It's a 50-50 filler. Half are going to win. 1, 2. Mr. Stacy on top after 2. 358, 358, third and final time, guys. Good luck. Anders on top, Stacy with 2, Chris and Marty. Top 5. That's not going to work. Forgot to do the 3rd timestamp. That one's in at 359. Still 359, and I will try to get our top 5 here if the list wants to work. There we go. Anders, you got Toronto. Stacy, you got Winnipeg and Tampa. Chris, the Islanders, and Marty, the Sharks. Congrats, guys.